Role of an appraiser in the TPAD portal. As an appraiser, you will be required to appraise teachers within your school. The online appraisal process is short, easy and secure. You can do it in the following steps. Log into www.tsc.go.ke. Enter your TSC number, ID number and the password provided. Click on the captcha box and click on the login button. A dashboard opens with a summary of your TSC details and appraisal activity or progress. Click on the Appraiser dashboard menu to open the Appraiser dashboard page. You will be able to see a summary of both complete and pending appraisals within your school. All the pending appraisals will have their status set to awaiting appraisal, while the complete ones will have their status set to complete. To appraise a teacher, go to the Appraiser Appraisals menu and click on the Pending Appraisals menu to open the Appraiser Assessment page to see a list of all pending appraisals. Click on the Proceed to Appraisal button on the respective teacher to open the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. Click on the Update Standard button to open the Teaching Standards Update page. Click on Update Rating to open the Appraiser Standard Ratings page. Click on the Add Weight button to open a weight rating pop-up. Using evidence collected, enter your viewed rating. This will add an appraiser weight against that of the appraisee. If the appraisee has any identified performance gaps, click on Yes to select the gap category and subcategory for that particular target. If none, click on No to proceed. Add any comments, then click on Submit Rating button to finish. Once satisfied with all the ratings on the appraisee, add any comments, then click on Next Standard to go back to the Teaching Standards page and rate the next teaching standard. Repeat the steps to rate all the teaching standards for the appraisee. Kindly note that the status of all the successfully rated standards will change from yellow to green. Click on Back to Appraisal button to go back to the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. To appraise the learner's progress, click on Update Progress. Using the evidence in your possession, counter-check all the learner's progress records, add any general comments about the learner's progress report, then click on the Save Comment button to finish appraising the standard. Click on Back to Appraisal button to go back to the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. To check on the lesson attendance records, click on View Attendance button. Using the evidence in your possession, counter-check all the lesson attendance records input by the appraisee. Add any general comments about the lesson attendance report, then click on the Save Comment button to finish. Click on Back to Appraisal button to go back to the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. A lesson observation must be carried out at least once a term so as to complete an appraisee's appraisal. To conduct a lesson observation, click on Start Observation to open the Lesson Observation page. Click on New Observation and a pop-up with a list of all the teachers in your institution will open. Against the teacher being appraised, click on New Record to open the Lesson Observation Details page. Select the class, subject being taught, subject topic, lesson topic, number of learners and the observation date, then click on Add Record button to finish. Note that all lesson observations not yet carried out will have their status set to Pending. To carry out a lesson observation, click on Observe to score the appraisee in the different preset lesson observation areas. Enter your observer score and comment against each set performance indicators for that lesson observation area. After you are done, click on Save Observation Marks to complete the lesson observation. To complete the appraisal, click on the View or Finish Appraisal button. Once done, you will then be required to schedule an appraisal rating meeting with the appraisee. To schedule an appraisal rating meeting, go to Appraiser Appraisals menu, then click on Schedule Meeting. This will open the Schedule Appraisal Meeting dashboard showing all the scheduled and pending appraisal rating meetings. On the teacher being appraised, click on Schedule Meeting button. On the pop-up window, select the date and time of the appraisal rating meeting, then click on Save Schedule to complete. A notification of the scheduled meeting is sent to the appraisee. The appraisal rating meeting happens between the appraiser and the appraisee. To begin the appraisal meeting, click on Start Meeting to open the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. On the teaching standards, click on Update Standard, and against each of the teaching standards, click on Update Rating to open the Appraiser Standard Ratings page. Against each target, click on the Action button to reveal a drop-down menu. You can either update a weight, agree or disagree on a particular weight rating. To update to a negotiated weight rating, select the Update Weight option from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will be displayed. Enter the negotiated and agreed weight rating between you and the appraisee, then click on Submit Rating to complete. If there is an equal rating between the appraiser and the appraisee or an accepted consensus, select the Agree Weight option. In the unexpected event that the appraiser and appraisee disagree on a weight rating, select the Disagree weight and the rating will be marked in red to indicate a weight that will be subjected to an arbitration process. Once done, click on Next Standard button to return to the Teaching Standards Update page. Repeat the same steps as before to fill a negotiated and agreed weight rating on each of the prescribed teaching standards. Once completed, click on Back to Appraisal button to return to the Appraiser Update Appraisal page. Together with the appraisee, verify all the information entered in the learner's progress and lesson attendance records. Enter agreed comments on each of the above records. To view or finish the appraisal rating, click on View or Finish Appraisal button to open the appraisal rating summary. Verify all entered information, and if both parties are satisfied, then enter the final appraiser comments. In case of any discrepancies, errors or omissions, you will receive a prompt on the exact omission. Rectify and then click on Finish Appraisal Meeting to complete the appraisal rating meeting. Weekly attendance is a weekly occurrence where the lesson attendance records are updated by the Deputy Head of Institution. To add an attendance record, click on Add Attendance button. From the pop-up window, select the teacher from the drop-down list, select the week ending, lesson to be taught, number of lessons taught and those recovered, and any attendance remarks. Click on Save to finish adding a weekly lesson attendance summary record. Kindly note that the week ending will always be the last day of the week. As an appraiser, you are responsible to ensure that all appraisees assigned to you have completed their appraisals. The objective of this appraisal process is to strengthen supervision and continuously monitor the performance of teachers in the curriculum implementation at the institutional level.